Let's be honest, guys, nowadays everyone who wants to be a content creator needs a good audio. It doesn't matter what you want to say, what you want to teach, if you have a good audio, people is going to stay and listen to you. And I'm talking to you from experience. About 2 years ago, I was at the beach shooting an amazing photo shoot, and I wanted to do a YouTube video, and I got a very cheap microphone, and it's this one over here. It was better than the microphone of my camera, but it didn't give me the quality of audio that I was looking for. So we are in the middle of the shoot. We are in the look number 3, and right now she's changing in the bathroom. I want to tell you a little bit about the experience. It took us a little bit longer because we are recording behind the scenes. We are also planning video and also planning pictures, but it's actually going really great. Shooting with a digital and analog camera. I'm almost done with my analog camera. So through all this time, I keep buying different microphones, and today I'm going to have a new microphone, and it's this one over here. And guys, this microphone is recommended for all kind of creators. Even if you're a makeup artist that want to teach, or you're a lawyer that want to share experiences, if you have this, it's going to be much better. And to use this, you don't need a very expensive camera. You can just connect it to your phone and it's gonna work perfect as well. So let's dive into the SARAMONIC BLINK 500 Pro X V1. First up, let's see what's inside the box. So over here we have some instructions, some stickers. Over here we have the warranty, that it's very important, and a quality certificate that it's also cool to have. And over here we have it. Look at this, guys. So the microphone comes in this little box that is very easy to take everywhere. Over here, when you open it, we have the TX and the RX. So this one is the microphone, and this one is the receptor that you're gonna connect to your camera, or you're gonna connect it to your phone. And over here in this box, we have this bag to carry it everywhere, and over here we have our cables that are going to help us connect. So over here we have this TRS cable, and if you see, it has 2 lines on the sides, and this is the cable that you're going to use to connect to your camera. And over here we have a TRS to TRRS microphone cable, and you see this side with the 3 lines is what you're going to connect to your phone to record your audio. Over here you have a charger type C to charge them individually or in the case. And over here we have the windshield that reduces wind noise. One of the things that I appreciate the most that comes with this microphone is the lavalier or the lapel mic. So basically this cable is an extension for your microphone. You're going to connect it to your original microphone, and then you can plug it to your clothing. Many creators use this kind of microphone because it's going to give them freedom in their hands, and also is going to show very little in their clothing. Something very important, guys, this is not just a box to take them everywhere, this is also a charger. So over here you see the battery, and you can charge it over here, and this is gonna charge your microphone. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it. You're going to take from the box your RX element over here, and this device we're gonna put it right here. So this is the main position for the receiver, but you can always plug it in your strap, and I'm going to show you why. So you can take it from here and you are gonna plug it right here, and you can still connect it to your camera over here with a cable. And this is in case you have some other tethering elements, or you have flash, or you have anything else that you want to put over here. So it's really cool that it comes like this. So I'm going to put it over here, And I'm going to choose the cable with the 2 lines as I showed you before. And over here you have line out. And over here you have mic. And there you have it. Over here is connected line out. And over here is connected to mic. Now the next thing we're gonna do is connect the actual microphone. So we take the TX from the box, here it is, and over here is written line in, okay? This kind of microphone, you can use it like this, or as the one that I'm using right now. You're going to connect it with your long cable, and you can put it all the way up over here. So let's try it. I'm going to put this receptor in the camera that I'm using right now. Okay guys, so the microphone is connected, and I'm going to show you, it has a little screen over here that will show you many things that other microphones don't have. So in this microphone you have over here the screen, and you can see right here where the sound is coming inside, and I'm going to tap and you're going to see on the screen the sound is coming in. And over here we have the buttons of our microphone. These buttons are for adjusting sound, volume, selecting mono or stereo recording. And in this other side we have the button for turning on our microphone and also for muting it. So if I press once over here, the microphone is gonna be mute. Now I go back and you can hear me again. Okay, so over here I have a very good sound because I'm in a very quiet place, but now I want to do a test outdoors. I live in a very noisy area, as you can hear. So let's see how the microphone helps, and I'm going to test over here this little friend. For me it's very important to have very good audio outdoors because I shoot a lot outdoors. Most of my editorials and my work for my clients, we try to look for very fun locations. So when I want to shoot my YouTube videos, my behind the scenes, it's very important that you get to have a good audio from me. So what do you think? Okay guys, I'm right back inside. I want to test now this one, and let's see how the sounds change. This is without the cable. And this is with the cable. So I really like to use this kind of microphone over here because it's not showing so much. I feel that this one with the screen is calling a lot of attention, so this one is more moderate and I feel it's a little bit more elegant. So what do you think, guys? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video and it was useful for you, for everyone that wants to upgrade their level in content creation. You can just get one of these very inexpensive and worth every penny. Thank you so much to Ehrlich that provided this microphone for testing. So you just go to their website and order it from there. Don't forget that a good audio is going to upgrade all kinds of content creation. Thank you so much for watching.